Hello guys, this is Songboy13. Yes, I'm back on this channel. As you know, I have several uploads to reveal. This is the first upload. Now, this was filmed a few days, well, more than that, several days after the first Thunderstorm video that we've had in Jamaica. And yes, this holiday I was in Negril in Jamaica, which is the west coast, where it regularly rains nearly every single day, but not all the time. As you can tell, it's sunny right now. But anyways, Wednesday the 7th of August, which was just over 10 days ago when this was filmed, this is the 18th on this date as I speak, we had a pretty intense thunderstorm. There wasn't a lot of CG lightning or cloud to ground lightning, even though I'm being caught on camera, but that was probably the only day that we had an actual head-on thunderstorm, which the rain was just torrential, the wind was so strong, and there were certainly some close strikes in this video. So I'll let the video explain, so enjoy. Well, just in the pool and then had to get off early due to an upcoming thunderstorm. Well, it's only our second full day and we've already got a huge storm. I was on the pool this morning and it has just started raining and still there's people in the beach. Absolute crazy people. Lightning can actually strike 10 to 20 miles away from the main storm itself. Wow! That was the closest one so far. That was probably the closest one.
That was a good one.
Yep. No bolts, just a flash. There must have been a CG bolt close by. Wow, that was right on top of us.
So why is that glass nearly full?
Why is the glass what?
There's a glass out there.
Oh, that's cool. You can get water from that.
It was empty.
Yeah, that's... Oh yeah, I've noticed.
So why is that? That's 3 inches of...
I don't think it'll be 3... I'm pretty sure that won't be 3 inches. That's 75 millimetres. It's unlikely it'll be 75 millimetres in 2 hours.
So why is the glass 3 inches full then?
I'm not sure. Is it really 3 inches full?
Well, that was empty this morning. It's now full. Nearly.
Well, I think we did a good job on leaving the glass out. Oh!
Absolutely sliding down.
Oh, that was... Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that was enough. Wow. Lightning is actually constantly flashing now. Alright, the storm's easing up, my camera's low on battery, so the rain is finally beginning to ease a little bit, but it's going to be another hour till the rain finally stops. So there you go, that's the first storm of the holiday, and I've got a pretty good feeling we're going to get lots more, so... Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, nice. Well, that's our first thunderstorm over and done with, and this is the aftermath. This is how much rain the ground has collected in roughly an hour. And you can just see very, very closely, probably can't tell, but just behind the trees, I don't think you can see very well on the camera, there is so much fog and mist surrounding these trees, because it's so humid. Please make it gradually enough. What next?